Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Court in the City, and today this video I'm doing what? Giving y'all a 2 for 1, 2 for 1, 2 for 1, 2 for 1. I see that hand movement. All right. So if you saw from the title of this video, I'm definitely going to be reviewing what recycled toilet paper that I have been using for a few months. If you follow me on Instagram, I've literally been telling you guys for months that I was going to give a review on this recycled toilet paper, and I haven't because we're gonna say testing it out for you guys, which I have been testing it out. I've used it for anything you can imagine, which I'm gonna show you later in the video. But I'm also gonna talk about how I cut all my hair off. And then I bleached it blonde. One of the questions that I was not expecting when people saw that I cut my hair off was, why did I cut my hair? Because I knew why I cut my hair, but I didn't think that other people would be like, why did you cut your hair? So now I'm talking about why I cut my hair. So first, let's get into that. All right, so I cut my hair. The main reason was because I really wanted to. I really wanted to cut my hair. A lot of people are attached to their hair, and yes, I was taking care of my hair, growing it out, but I wasn't attached to that hair. Just a little backstory. My hair got heat damage really bad in July of 2019. And at that point, that's when I was really I'm going to get serious about my natural hair journey, because this hair is messed up. Who wants this hair? I don't want this hair. This hair looks terrible. So I set a mission to take care of my natural hair better than I ever had, to bring it back from the heat damage. Okay? So stay with me. So it's heat damage. So after I started loving on my hair, I was like, hey, I could do this. I could do that. Like the girls I see on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, all that. I was like, my hair look like theirs. This hair popping. I started trimming it and just trying to get it back to an overall healthy place. But at the end of the day, after all the heat damage was gone, I still didn't really love my hair. It's cute or whatever, and I'm gonna make it pop or whatever, but I just wanted to cut it. So it was shedding, and one day I just was like, I'm gonna cut my hair. So I went to the bathroom and cut my hair. I did not record me cutting it because that was just something that I didn't know how I was going to react once I did it. So I took that moment. I didn't say anything to anyone. I just was like, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to cut my hair off. And if I like it, then cool. And if I don't, then cool. So we just going to have to deal with it. But oddly enough, I cut all my hair off and I immediately was like, okay, girl. I was really hyped because I was proud of myself for taking a step and doing something I always wanted to do. And then I was also proud of myself for taking that moment to myself and then being happy in the skin that I was in, because I'm not my hair and no one's their hair. And I let other people make me think that I was my hair because I got so many compliments on it, but I'm not my hair. And no matter what my hair looks like, I'm going to be popping. All right, so I'm back. I tried to move out the way of this ring light, but it just want to be reflected in my glass, and that's just what's gonna happen. So yes, I just slobbed on my shirt. That's who I am. I'm trying to be just as raw as I can in this video, because I want anybody who wants to cut their hair to cut their hair. Cut your hair, sis. Cut your hair, brother. Is that what you're supposed to say, brother? Bro. I don't know. Anybody, whoever, cut your hair. And I'm just trying to just be free with that. So that's the end of it. I cut my hair because I wanted to. I love it. Y'all gonna see me do some crazy stuff. Not sure if I'm gonna do tutorials yet, because I just really don't know what to do with it. I have it. I'll show y'all a few pictures of how I've been wearing it, how I look day one when I cut it, how I wore it when I first cut it. And then I'm wearing it like this now because I'm trying to decide if I'm going to cut this part off. So it's swooped down and a little wavy on the side, but just look from the front and from this side where it's real short. So I'm trying to decide if I want to cut it all this short. So that's why it looks like this. So anyway, cut your hair. Cut your hair. Cut your hair. Just cut your hair. Cut your hair. All right. So now we're going to get into this toilet paper review. Let's go over to the second part of this 2 for 1. 2 for 1. All right, so I switched my household over to recycled toilet paper just because I am on a journey where I am trying to be as natural and as organic as possible. I'm willing to try things, and some things that I try might not be as natural and as organic as I think they are. So I am slowly learning that I have to research more before making purchases, and it's a process. So I'm doing this review for anyone who was interested in recycled toilet paper, and that's what's going on. I went with the brand Who Gives a Crap. I looked them up once I watched a few videos talking about recycled toilet paper. This was like the #1 bestseller, and of the brands that I looked at, they offered like $10 off of your first order, and I ordered a box of I think 48. So yeah, it was a good deal. I'm gonna put the price somewhere on the screen because I don't remember exactly how much the box cost, but they gave a discount. $10 for my first order, and I was excited about that. So I think I ended up paying like $30 for 48 rolls of toilet paper, which is not bad. So the first thing I noticed before I even like touched the actual toilet paper is that all of the rolls came in really cute wrapping. So I bought a few down to like show that they all came in this cute paper. They're all individually wrapped, and everything with the toilet paper can be recycled down to the toilet paper roll in the middle. So that was very cute, and I really enjoyed that. Another reason that I switched over to this toilet paper is because it's supposed to break down better and hopefully not clog the toilets up, because I'm gonna do whatever I can to keep me from having to spend lots of money in the long run. So this toilet paper is supposed to like break down easier in water so that it can move more freely through your pipes. So that is another reason why I chose to switch to recycled toilet paper. And I'm saying why I chose to switch to because we are going to continue using the recycled toilet paper. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but now that we have switched and we've been switched over for months, I like it, and we're gonna keep trying it, and I'm gonna switch to different brands. So I will show you the brands and tell you the difference between the brands and what I think about each brand as the year goes on. But for now, we still got a whole bunch of this toilet paper, so I'm gonna review this toilet paper. One of the other reasons that I chose this brand outside of the fact that it gave a discount, because I'm cheap and I'm gonna always want a discount, they also donate 50% of their profits to help build toilets in areas that don't have access to running toilets and toilet paper. So I thought that that was very cool that they did that. And I also am down to have things that are recycled and that I can recycle. All right, so I'm gonna open up the pack to show you what it looks like. It's a very thick roll. It did take some getting used to because of the texture, but the texture isn't bad. It just was not as soft as the toilet paper I was using, or as thick as the toilet paper I was using in feel. As far as absorption and it working for your everyday things that you do in the bathroom, on the toilet, this does the job, honey. I'm not lacking anything with this toilet paper. The feel of it, just from the first touch, yeah, you might be like, what did I do? But after using this, I wipe my nose with this toilet paper. I wipe my plants off with this toilet paper. I even cleaned a mirror with this toilet paper. Because I wanted to, try it out for you guys, and I wanted to really give a good review, and I honestly think that this toilet paper is worth trying out. If you don't like it, that don't have nothing to do with me because I like it, and I'm telling y'all that I like it. So try it at your own risk. At your own risk. risk. Yeah, but I like it. Yeah, they have a lot of good qualities. The paper being one of them. That I just like that they came cute like that. Like they were very cute. Another thing that I liked about this toilet paper brand is that when you get to the end of the roll, yes, this you can recycle this. They have a website on the toilet paper roll that you can go to and find things that you can do while you're bored on the toilet. And I'm gonna let those pop up on the screen. One of the last things that I'm going to say about this toilet paper is because I really like using it. I was very excited to get the box delivered, get something new, try a new product that months ago, like 6 months ago, I wasn't thinking about recycled toilet paper. So quarantine and being in the house has really helped me look into things that I like. So one of the things that I like about the toilet paper is that it came with 3 emergency rolls. These rolls are orange. They say emergency roll on them. And it says, in case of emergency, tear open the wrapper. And it also has like things like, don't forget to order more toilet paper. Like, so you know when you get to these things, it's like really like, hurry up and order. Hurry up and order, hurry up and order. Like, you need more toilet paper, sis. One thing that I enjoy about this toilet paper is that the delivery was very fast. I got the toilet paper in less than a week. And that is what you need in these times, especially when you go in stores and you can only really like buy 1 pack of toilet paper and it's $15 or however much. Like, toilet paper is expensive. So I felt like with this toilet paper, I got the best money. Well, I got the best for my money, like the most for my money. Yeah, I got enough toilet paper for what I paid. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, it was worth the money that I paid. Let's rewind a little bit because I don't know if I said this. The toilet paper is made from recycled materials. I'm not sure if it's from recycled toilet paper, but it also could be from regular recycled paper. It's just recycled toilet paper, not recycled toilet paper from old toilet paper. I mean, because what is toilet paper really made out of anyway? I mean, that probably sounds silly, but isn't it's just like, I'm gonna look it up because I don't know. That's crazy. Is all toilet paper just made out of like paper? What is toilet paper? Okay. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to say. It's just made out of recycled paper, not necessarily recycled toilet paper. It's just recycled toilet paper. Get it? Got it? Maybe not, because I'm sitting here trying to wonder where toilet paper, how it's made, what it's made out of. I don't know. Another thing that I really liked about this toilet paper is that it's 100% recycled. There are no inks, dyes, or scents, and it's soft, and it is a 3-ply toilet paper. But this is very similar to 1-ply, so no, it's not. No, it's not. It's thicker than 1-ply, but it's thinner than other 3-plies. All right, so for this next portion of the video, I'm going to bring in my lovely assistant. Assistant, please come over and assist. Is this mason jar full of water? Y'all thought it was my niece, didn't y'all? Not this video. But what I'm gonna do is put some of the toilet paper in this water and shake it up so you can see how it breaks down in water. All right, so let me open this. And we're gonna just put some of this toilet paper up in here. That's what it looks like at first, and then, oh, it wasn't closed all the way. Oops, I got some stuff wet. Hold on, let me clean it up. Hold on. All right, so we back. I think it's on all the way. All right, so we go. I don't know, still water. So this is what this looks like. That's pretty broke down to me, I believe. I feel like that is very broke down. What y'all think? It is dripping water. Y'all, I made such a mess. If you don't know me in real life, I might seem put together, but honey, I am clumsy. Guess what? We reached the end of the video. Look, it looks so good on this side. Like, I just caught a glimpse. Whew, girl, just caught a glimpse of this hair. I'm fine. So in conclusion, we're gonna just bring everything back in. So I cut my hair. I feel like the baddest in the land, and I'm gonna probably cut it again. And if you want to cut your hair, then you should cut your hair. And I also switched to recycled toilet paper, and I really like it. I am very happy that I switched. I am going to continue to use recycled toilet paper. They also offer like a bamboo toilet paper that I'm interested to try, but there were some reviews saying that their butt burned after they were using it because that's a little rough. So we gonna get a couple rolls of that, and then I'll continue to do reviews about toilet paper. So if there is a brand that you would like me to try, put it in the comments. I don't know what I was going to say. Put it in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. So see you guys next time.